Hello, my name is Lynn, and I'm going to showcase my 4610 project, which is called Paw Park. So Paw Park is basically a social media web application, which the user can create an account. And for the account, they can have a dog profile, which essentially contains information. This is a profile for their dogs. And pretty much each profile also contains things that the user can post, such as like images and such. And the user can also access to other dog pet profiles as well. So basically, it's like a park, which the user can essentially interact with other dogs. So, how to access the web application? Essentially, go to user URL right here, and once you go to user URL, you'll be directed to the front page. And this front page essentially contains a welcome screen. And this welcome screen, of course, contains welcome and also the links to some of the important pages in the website, such as login, sign up, and of course, your profile. So let's go ahead and also, I forgot to mention, at the top, there's also a nav bar. And this nav bar essentially is contained in every pages of the web application. This nav bar, of course, contains the links to each one of the important pages on the application. So let's use the nav bar to go to the profile. Since the user is not logged in yet, we are directed to a login page. But we don't have an account yet, so we have to essentially add an account. And also after that, we have to add a profile to that account pertaining to the dog. So we can just use the navigation bar essentially to sign up. Let's enter a random email. Say, I don't really know. Testing at yahoo.com. User 11. 11. Let's use a password. I'm thinking of a password. Actually, I'm just going to choose password, to be honest. I'm not really original. Let's use sign up. And bam, you created your account. So next step is essentially to add a profile to that account. You can either do that by clicking on this link right here, or use the nav bar to essentially add a profile. And of course, once you click on it, you'll be redirected to a page essentially asking you information about your dog. And of course, you can enter your information about your dog here. Let's use a name. Let's say Jumpy. Be a pug. Color white brown. Sex male. Date of birth. Let's say yesterday. Dog weight 12. Biography. My name is Jumpy. I'm Jumpy. And register. And bam, you added your profile about your dog. So let's go ahead and access the profile page right now. And it essentially contains all the information you put down when you register your dog into your profile, or of course, register your profile for your dog. And this page, of course, contains the name, the biography, the breed, date of birth, weight, color, and sex. And it also contains a profile picture, which the user can add right now. So this is the place where the profile picture is at. So how the user add a profile picture? Click on where the profile picture is at, which is right here. And it redirects you to a page which asks for a profile picture, or essentially asks you for a bio. And the user can essentially go ahead and click on choose file, which opens up the file explorer, and choose their profile they want to add to, or choose their image that they want to put as a profile picture. Or the user can also drag and drop. Let's drag and drop right now. Let's choose this picture right here. Drop here. And let's change the profile picture. So you successfully edited your profile picture. Let's go back to your profile. And bam, here's your profile picture. So another thing the user can do on their profile is essentially add a post. And this post contains information about the post itself, which is the image and also the caption of the image. Let's go ahead and add a post, which can be accessed through this link right here. And it'll lead you to a page similar to your edit image, profile image, or profile picture. Let's go ahead and drag and drop this and add a post. First post. Yay. Post it. And you successfully added your posts. And let's go back to your profile. You're able to see your post you added right here. So let's add another post actually. Just add this post right here. Let's add a second post. Is awesome. Let's post it again. Go back to your profile. And you'll see your second post as well as your first post. Yes, and so this area here is dedicated to your post. And let's go ahead and go to the park. So what is the park? Well, the park is essentially a page which contains all information about the other dogs too, including the dog ID, name, breed, color, and also sex. The user can look at every dog on the web application. And essentially, another thing that you can do on the park, essentially go look at the dog ID. Let's use Charlotte, which is 8. And once you type the dog ID up here and you click go to, you're able to access Charlotte's, or essentially access that Charlotte's profile. Of course, you can't edit or add any posts for another user's dog, but you're able to view all the information that is similar to your profile. Just as, of course, the name, biography, breed, and also other posts too in the profile picture. Sweet. So let's go back to your profile. Of course, you can go back to information that you had right here. Let's click log out. So once you log out, you have your profile again, you have to re-log back in. So let's log back in. So I think it's user 11. Password. Bam, you log back in and you're able to access your profile again. Awesome. Yeah, this is basically it in my project, and thank you.